How to make voice channels public or private in Discord. Voice channels can be open to all or limited to select users. To adjust, click the gear icon beside the channel and go to Permissions. To make it private, disable Connect and View channel for everyone. Then add specific roles or users and enable those same options for them. To go public again, just reverse that, enable permissions for everyone. It updates instantly so users will see the change right away. Use private voice channels for team discussions, mode meetings, or VIP access without interrupting the public chat. How do you manage voice access in your server? Comment your tips in the comments below. With proper access settings, you can balance privacy and openness for every voice interaction. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.